Welcome back, Road Warriors. Today, we dive deep into the legendary battlefield beast, the 2025 Humvee HMMWV. A name synonymous with power, endurance, and battlefield supremacy, the Humvee has evolved over the years, and this latest edition is a true marvel of military engineering. Buckle up as we break down its key features, performance, design, and what makes it a must-have for modern defense forces. The 2025 Humvee is a true sight to behold, tough, aggressive, and built for the harshest environments. Designed with an advanced high-strength steel and composite armor body, this beast can take on anything from rough off-road tracks to high-intensity combat zones. The reinforced chassis enhances durability, while the adaptive camouflage technology allows it to blend seamlessly into various terrains. The inclusion of an advanced suspension system ensures a smoother ride, reducing impact stress on both vehicle and crew. Plus, those all-terrain military-grade tires. They're built to withstand the most unforgiving conditions, allowing for better traction and movement across various landscapes, from deserts to icy tundras. Versatility is where the Humvee truly shines. Whether it's a reconnaissance mission, troop transport, medical evacuation, or heavy assault, the modular design allows easy role switching on the go. The upgraded suspension system and adaptive terrain response ensure smooth navigation across mud, snow, and even rocky landscapes. With its drone integration capabilities and automated supply delivery tech, this is not just a vehicle, it's an all-terrain command center. The roof-mounted modular rail system also enables the attachment of different equipment based on the mission requirements, making it highly adaptable. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the 2025 Humvee boasts a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, pushing an impressive 700 horsepower with peak torque that guarantees raw power on demand. This means better fuel efficiency, reduced heat signature, and most importantly, near-silent operation when in electric mode, a game-changer for stealth missions. With a top speed of 90 miles per hour and an extended operational range of 500 miles on a single tank, this monster is built to last. Enhanced fuel efficiency ensures reduced reliance on logistics support, which is crucial for long missions in hostile environments. The improved cooling system also prevents overheating, allowing the Humvee to maintain peak performance for longer durations. Stepping inside, the Humvee is more advanced than ever. The fully digital cockpit features a next-gen heads-up display, AI-assisted navigation, and a battlefield management system that keeps the crew connected in real time. The ergonomic seating and shock-absorbing materials enhance comfort, even during extended missions. But it's not just brains, it's got brawn too. Equipped with a modular weapon system, the 2025 Humvee can mount everything from a remote-controlled 50-calibre machine gun to anti-tank missile launchers. The vehicle's electronic warfare capabilities also allow for jamming enemy communications, enhancing battlefield effectiveness. And thanks to its reinforced defensive tech, it features an active protection system that neutralizes incoming threats before they hit. So there you have it, the 2025 Humvee HMMWV, a battle-ready titan redefined for modern warfare. With unmatched durability, cutting-edge technology, and combat adaptability, this machine continues its legacy as a dominant force in the military world. Its ability to integrate future technologies, from automated driving to advanced AI-assisted targeting, ensures that it remains a relevant and powerful tool in modern defense. What do you think of this latest iteration? Would you take it into battle? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Road Warriors for more high-octane military reviews. Until next time, stay strong, stay armored.